let's get to it. Let's start here in the middle of the page, up a little bit, right about there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a little spot there, and this will be our hair. And then we're gonna go up like this, and we're gonna go around. That's right. And then we're gonna come down on this end here. There we go. It's like an upside down W. And then we're gonna come around like this. Almost as if it's a pair of lips. Looks like lips right now, doesn't it? But what we're gonna do is this is gonna frame her face. And then we're gonna come around like this. And this. And this is gonna be her hair. Up here, just like that. And then we could go down here, across here, up, down, and then maybe come around like that with a little curlicue there. That's nice. And then continue it on up like that. There we go. And then we can bring our face down here. So our face will be like that. And then like this. Just like that. Perfect. We'll give her a little smile like that. There we go. Just like that. And there's her chin. There's her nose. And then she's got big eyes. Big eyes like this. There we go. These are fun eyes. Fun big eyes like this. 1, 2, just like that. And then we're gonna draw in her eyeballs. 1 and 2. Her pupils with a little highlight there. And we could color those in black if you like. Highlight, color in black. There we go. There's Dora, starting off pretty, looking good. And there will be her neck and the outline of a t-shirt neck. There we go. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna have her standing here with her arms crossed. So let's draw her shoulder here. T-shirt sleeve, there we go. Come on up like that. Over here, we're gonna do the same. 1 here. T-shirt across. Up like that. And what we're gonna do is draw little backpack straps. 1 and 2. Little semicircle there, just to make it look good. And bring this one down like that. There we go. And from here, we're gonna bring our arms across. So down, and then up. And then we'll bring this arm across a little bit like that. And then Dora's always got some nice necklace, or I should say, a wrist strap here. Looking good. Bring it on down. There we go. And we can continue her hand like that. That looks good. And then we'll bring her other arm down like that. Across and down like that. And a line here to continue that. There we go. So now her arms look like they're crossed. That's nice. Then we can continue our t-shirt down like this. Like that. Give it a little wave just for some fun. There we go. Now our shorts. 1. There's a first leg and then our second leg like that. There we are. And now let's cross her legs too. You know, as if she's just standing having a good old time watching all of the stuff that she does. There we go, just like that. Other leg down like that. Looking good. We'll bring a sock around there. Little bits of flowers perhaps on a sock like that. That's nice. There we go. And there's the top of a shoe. There we go, like that. Down like that. Now this leg here, that's behind, just like that. Don't get too tricky. We'll do that. Her shoes are pretty pointy. There's her other sock, and we'll bring her shoe across like that. There we go. Give those shoes some straps and a little sole. Perfect. Continue that with the last one that we were doing here. There's the sole and a couple of shoelace types there. Very nice. Looking good. And now all we really need is to do is to put a backpack on, isn't it? Here we go. Right here. 1, 2, 3. Lines like that. Backpack down like that. Maybe give her a pocket. There we go. It's Dora the Explorer. Brown for her hair. Light brown for her eyes. Skin color. Pink for her shirt. Orange for her pants. Yellow for her socks and beads. Blue for her other beads. Purple for her knapsack. And black for her hair. Thanks, everyone.